Here we have 64 to the x power minus 8 to the x plus 1 power equals 33. Now what's challenging about this one is that we have not only different bases, but also we have this additional term 33 that's not an exponential expression. So this one has a little bit of a trick to it. So let's break this down. First of all, if we look at the bases, 64 and 8, we can express 64 as a power of 8, namely 8 squared. So we can write this expression as 8 squared to the x power. 8 squared to the x power, we can rewrite that as 8 to the x power squared. All right, so all we're doing here, since we have a power raised to a power, we can switch those powers and still get the same result. Moreover, the middle term, 8 to the x plus 1 power, is simply 8 to the x power times 8 to the first power, or just 8. So the second term we can express as 8 times 8 to the x power. Now, you might not recognize this, but the equation as we have it written is actually an equation that's quadratic in form. We can make a substitution to show that out. So let's say we let u equal 8 to the x power. Our equation would be u squared minus 8u equals 33. Now we can clearly see that this is a quadratic equation, and we can solve it as a quadratic equation. Bring all the terms over to one side, so we'll subtract 33 from both sides. That gives us u squared minus 8u minus 33 equals 0. And this particular quadratic expression is factorable. This gives us u minus 11 times u plus 3 equals 0. Setting each factor equal to 0, u minus 11 equals 0, and u plus 3 equals 0. We have two solutions, u equals 11 and u equals negative 3. We're not solving for u, we're trying to solve for x. So we'll need to back substitute, which will make our equations 8 to the x power equals 11 and 8 to the x power equals negative 3. In the case of the second equation, 8 to the x power, no power of 8 is going to yield a negative number. No real power of 8 is going to yield a negative number. So there's no solution for the second equation. The first equation, we can solve that. We take the natural log of both sides, then apply the power property, give us x times the natural log of 8 equals the natural log of 11, and then divide both sides by natural log of 8, which gives us a solution of x equals natural log of 11 divided by the natural log of 8. If you enjoyed this, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And if there's any other topic or any other problem that you would like me to go over, just drop that in the comments section as well.